Question number 6. Cognitive development meaning. Number 1, development of intelligence. Number 2, development of child. Number 3, development of physical skills. Development. Number 4, development of individual. So this question's right answer is development of intelligence. Cognitive development means development of intelligence. Number 7. Question number 7. Under which of the following conditions does the emotional and social development of the child occur in a positive manner? Number 1. When the child is considered as important and his feelings are respected. Number 2. When the child told to learn more and more. Number 3. When the child gets good marks in the class. Number 4. When the teacher teaches the child according to its intellectual level. So this question's right answer is when the child is considered as important and his feelings are respected. Question number 8. Language development of children depends on number 1, better socio-economic environment. Number 2, better schooling. Number 3, freedom of expression give to the child. Number 4, all of above. So the answer, language development of children depends on all of the above. Right answer. Question number 9. Now see question number 9. Factors influencing emotional development are physical. Number 1, physical health. Number 2, mental abilities. Number 3, fatigue. Number 4, all of these. So this question's right answer is factors influencing emotional development are all of above. Now question number 10. What is the meaning of growth? Number 1, change related to result. Number 2, change related to measurement. Number 3, all of the above. Number 4, none of the above. So this question's right answer is what is the meaning of growth? So this question's right answer is change related to measurement. Number 2. Thank you.